Hi children, today we are going to discuss about graphical representation and factorization method of the quadratic polynomials. In the previous classes we discussed about the relation between zeros and coefficients of linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials as well as biquadratic polynomials. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial using two methods, that is first one factorization method and second one in graphical representation. So look at here, for example, this is the first example. What is given here? X square minus 4x minus 5. This is the given quadratic polynomial. So already we know that here the x square coefficient is 1. Whenever the x square coefficient is 1, so it is easy to resolving into factors. Look at here, 5 is written as 5 ones are 5. 5 is the prime number, 5 ones are 5. So 4 is written as here minus constant value which contains negative symbol. The constant value which contains negative symbol. That's why we need to subtract 5 minus 1 which gives 5 minus 1 which gives 4. So here x square minus of same as it is x square minus of 4 is written as 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 into x minus of 5 is written as 5 into 1. So while finding zeros of the polynomial, this polynomial value which is equalized to 0. Here according to identity, here x square plus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta which is written as x plus alpha into x plus beta. This sarva samikaranam nunchi 7th lo already we discussed about this nana. 7th and 8th classes lo identities nechukunnam manam. So x square plus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is splitted into product of linear factor, that is x plus alpha into x plus beta. According to the above formula, this formula, here it is splitted into linear factors, that is x minus 5. X minus 5 is a linear factor and one more linear factor is x minus into minus. Minus into minus it becomes plus. X plus 1 is another linear factor. Look at here, x minus 5 is a linear factor. Another linear factor x minus into minus, that is x plus 1 is a linear factor which is equal to 0 because 0 of the polynomial means equalizing to 0. If x minus 5 equal to 0, then x is equal to transposition of minus 5 is plus 5. If x plus 1 equal to 0 means transposition of plus 1 is minus 1. Here 5 is the first root and minus 1 is the second root. So here the first root is taken as alpha. So the 0, sorry, not root, it is 0. The first 0 of the polynomial is 5 and the second 0 of the polynomial is minus 1. Alpha is equal to 5 and beta is equal to minus 1. So whereas finding relation between zeros and coefficient here, so we have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Here it is a quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, standard form of quadratic polynomial, whereas a is equal to coefficient nothing means a is equal to 1 and whereas b is equal to minus 4 and whereas c is equal to minus 5. Capital A is equal, small a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 5. Already we know that we discussed so far already sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta. We have one formula, summation of alpha 1 is equal to minus b by a. Already we have discussed so far. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. We need to change the symbol of b, that is minus 4 becomes as plus 4 and a value 1. Sum of zeros will be 4 by 1. And next nana, product of zeros formula c by a. What is the value of c? C value minus 5 by a value 1. So that is minus 5 by 1. Look at here, verification, while verification 5 minus 1, sum of the two zeros nana, 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4. So hence it is verified. Next, product of two zeros will be 5 now. So multiply these two zeros, 5 minus 1 ja which is equal to minus 5. So therefore it is verified. Now we are going to discuss about Finding zeros of the quadratic polynomial using graphical representation. By using graphical representation, how to find the zeros? Look at here. What is the least zero, Nana? According to the factorization, already we derived this one. So we obtain two zeros. The least zero is -1. The highest zero is 5. Here x values are taken -1 to +5. Look at here, the least zero is -1 and the highest zero is +5. Here in this table, x values are here -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Least value is -0 and highest value is 5. The extra element is taken x equal to 6. So x values, here x values are taken from least 0 to highest 0. Here the least 0 to highest 0. Here these x values are taken. Now we need to find the value of x square. We need to find the value of x square. X square value find out chalana. X square means square of any integer is always a positive number. Square of any integer will be positive. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus only. So always square of positive integer will be positive only. So we are multiplying 2 times. X is multiplying double time. 1 1s are 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. Here x square. These are the values of x square. This row indicates the value of x square. What about the second term is given as -4x. Here in the second row we are taking the values of -4x. What about the -4x? 4x means each and every value of x in the first row which are multiplied by 4. Each and every value of the x which is going to multiply by 4. 4 to multiply chenana. 4 1s are 4, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24. After that negative sign is there. 4x contains negative symbol. So which contains negative symbol means we need to change the symbol of x. So each and every value of x, here we need to modify the values of x. Minus becomes as plus. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Plus becomes as minus. Plus becomes as minus. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes as minus. Here also positive becomes minus. Here also plus becomes as minus. So according to here, look at here Nana, according to -20. So -4x means we need to change the symbol of, so 4 into, first of all, x values are multiplied by 4, then the values are, the symbols are changed. Minus becomes as plus. Here we need to change the symbol of 4x. Next, what about the third term Nana? Third row which contains -5. Same, all the values which are taken as -5. So here the sum of x square and -4x and -5. Sum of these three terms will be taken as y. So this sum of adding these three terms in the first column, we get y value. Y is equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. This is the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 5. Sum of these three terms will be 0. Here 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 5, minus 5. Here -5 minus 4 minus 9, minus 9 plus 1, it becomes -8. What about here Nana? -8 minus 5, 13, minus 13, -8 minus 5 minus 13, minus 13 plus 4, it becomes -9. And -12 minus 5 minus 17, minus 17 plus 9, it becomes -8. Here also simplifying, plus 16 minus 16 get cancelled, remaining -5. 25 minus 20. Here it is -20 Nana. -20. Whereas, wait. Here -20 and -20 and -5. -25. -25 plus 25, 0. -25 plus 25, 0. Here look at here. -24 minus 5. -29. -29 and plus 6. Plus 36, that is 7. Here at x equal to -1, here y value is 0. At x equal to -1, y value 0. -1 comma 0 is an order paid. At x equal to 0, y value which is equal to -5. So order paid with 0 comma minus 5. At x equal to 1, the value of the polynomial becomes as minus 8. 1 comma minus 8 is an order pair. Next, at x is equal to 2, the value of the polynomial is minus 9. Therefore, 2 comma minus 9. 2 comma minus 9 is another order pair. So next, Nana. 3 comma minus 8, 3 comma minus 8, 4 comma minus 5, another point, 5 comma 0, it is another point. At x equals 6, the value of polynomial is 7, 6 comma 7 is another order pair, another point. Here these points are, so we are going to represent all these points on the graph, all these points on the order pairs, we are going to represent these order pairs on the graph. Look at here y values, all the y values are negative. Here all the y values are negative except 0, so y values follows negative symbol. So here this is the y-axis, vertical line is taken as y-axis and horizontal line is taken because here we have to consider all the negative values. We have to represent negative values represent చేయాలంటే ఏంటన్నా 0 కి కింద నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకున్నాను here. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 number line, this is a number line as a vertical x-axis and y-axis on the vertical line. This is horizontal, this is an horizontal line is represented by x-axis and vertical line is represented as y-axis. 0 1 2 3 4, here these values are so given. So according to what is the order pair, and first order pair, x intercept is -1 comma 0 means y coordinate value 0. Whenever the y coordinate 0 means it lies on x axis. At x is equal to -1, look at here, this is the point, blue color point, a is equal to -1 comma 0 and 0 comma -5. Here x value 0, y intercept is -5, it touches the y axis at -5. First point, it touches the x axis at x is equal to -1. If x equal to 0 means it touches the y axis at y equal to -5, and here it is a point. Next, Nana, 1 comma -8, here 1 comma -8, 1 comma -8, 1 comma -8. Next, Nana, 2 comma -9, here it is 2 comma -9, 2 comma -9, and 3 comma -8, another order pair, 3 comma, here it is 3 and -8, 4 comma -5, 4 comma -5, and next 6 comma 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 means, look at here, y value 0 means it touches at x axis. Y equal to 0 means it touches, the graph touches at x equal to 5. Here 5 comma 0. So here if we join these 2 points, if we join the points by a curve, by a free curve, it indicates parabola. This graph is said to be a parabola. So this graph touches the x-axis at 2 different points. One is capital A, -1 comma 0, and another point 5 comma 0. Here it is 5 comma 0. So at -1 comma 0 and 5 comma 0, at x equal to -1, the value of y is 0. At x equal to 5, the value of y is equal to 0. So therefore, zeros of the polynomial, x is equal to alpha value -1, alpha is equal to -1 is the 0, and beta is equal to 5 is another 0. Therefore, -1 comma 5 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay now? So here, scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter is taken as 1 unit. On scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter is taken as 1 unit. Okay, here we verified the zeros of the polynomial. For the given polynomial, we verified using factorization method as well as graphical representation. Also verified the relation between zeros and coefficients according to sum of zeros and product of zeros. Okay, this is the first question. Next, look at here, children. Now I am going to explain the second example. For example, here x square plus 7x plus 12 is a quadratic polynomial. We need to find zeros of the polynomial. Finding zeros of the polynomial using factorization method. So first one taken as considering factorization method. So already we know that x square plus here, right? x square plus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which is written as x plus alpha into here x plus alpha into x plus beta. Here this is an identity according to 8th class. X square plus of x plus alpha x into alpha plus alpha beta is written as product of linear factor, that is x plus alpha into x plus beta. Now we are going to resolve this resolving this quadratic polynomial with the help of this identity. Here look at here, 12 is written as 4 3 is a 12. Here 12 is written as 4 into 3. 4 3 is a 12. Product of 4 3. And 7 is written as 4 plus 3. This constant value which contains positive symbol. Positive means we need to add the factors. Add the factors. For 12 is written as 4 3 is a. Plus is given means we need to add 4 plus 3. Here 7 is middle term which is splitted into sum of two terms. 7 is written as 4 plus 3 and 12 is written as 4 into 3. What about here? Addition. Plus means we need to add the factors. Here according to the first example, the constant value which is negative symbol, Nana. Constant value which assigns a negative symbol. Negative means we should subtract. Here subtraction is taken. 5 minus 1. Here negative symbol means we need subtraction. Here according to second example, the constant value which contains positive. Positive means we need to add the two factors. 4 plus 3, 7 and 12 is written as 4 into 3. According to above identity, it can be expressed as x plus 4 is the first factor and another factor is x plus 3. X plus 4 is a linear factor. Another linear factor, x plus 3 is another linear factor. While finding 0, x plus 4 equal to 0 means x is equal to transposition of plus 4 is minus 4. And x plus 3 equal to 0, if x plus 3 equal to 0 means transposition of plus 3 is minus 3. Minus 4 is the 0 of the polynomial and second 0 of the polynomial is minus 3. And here let's alpha, the first 0 will be taken as alpha is equal to minus 4 and second 0 is taken as beta is equal to minus 3, whereas alpha value minus 4 and beta value minus 3. Here are the two zeros. Now we are going to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. What about the given quadratic polynomial? X square plus 7x plus 12. According to standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, whereas a is equal to 1. Coefficient nothing means a is taken as 1 and the coefficient b is equal to 7, b value 7 and c value constant term which is equal to 12, a b c. What about the formula? Already we derived all these formulas in the previous classes. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta will be minus b by a. Sum of the zeros. So if we add these two zeros, the answer will be minus b by a without solving the polynomial. We need to change the symbol of b contains negative sign, Nana. We need to change the symbol of b. Plus 7 becomes as minus 7. And what about the value of a? A is equal to 1. So sum of the zeros will be minus 7. Look at here. First 0 is minus 4 and second 0 is minus 3. Sum of the zeros. So I'm adding these two because these two numbers which are having same sign, we need to add minus 4 minus 3 which becomes minus 7. Here also sum of the zeros according to formula minus 7. Product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, sigma alpha 1 alpha 2 is equal to c by a, whereas c value 12 divided by 1. 12 divided by 1 value 12 only. So look at here, multiply these two terms, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 3, that is minus into minus plus 4 3 is a 12. Here also we obtain 12. Therefore, so according to factorization method, already we obtained two zeros. So here verified the results, verified the zeros, verified the relation between zeros and coefficients according to formula also. Formula నుంచి కూడా మనం ఏం చేసాం నాన్న, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద జీరో, శూన్యాల మొత్తం మైనస్ 7 వచ్చేసింది, శూన్యాల లబ్ధం 12 వచ్చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ we need to find with the help of graphical representation. Here in the third case, graphical representation, y is equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. Look at here, according to factorization method, minus 3 is the least zero. minus 4 is the least 0 and minus 3 is the highest 0. చిన్న శూన్యము -4, పెద్ద శూన్యం -4 -3 ఉండే విధంగా x values తీసుకుంటానన్న. కన్సిడర్ టేకింగ్ x values which contains -4 and -3. Here in this table x values are taken -4 -3. Here -5 is taken on left side of -4. Least 0 is -4, highest 0 is +3. Some more values are taken on left side and some more values are taken on the right side of x. Here on this number line, for example, consider this is as a number line: 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and +1, +2. Negative values which lies on left side of 0 and positive values which are taken right side of the 0. We need to find, first of all, these are the x values, blue line, blue row which indicates the values of x, and next yellow color boxes represents the polynomial. What we should do, we need to consider the values of x square. X square means each and every value of x is multiplying 2 number of times. Square of any integer always a positive. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Here also minus into minus plus. Here also minus into minus plus. Here also minus into minus plus. 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Here these are the values of x square. This row which indicates the values of x square according to here these values. Okay, next what about the second? Second is 7x. So we need to multiply the values of x with 7. So here x values are 7 times it is increasing. X values are increasing by 7 times. Plus symbol is given here. 7x which contains positive symbol. No need to change the symbol of x. X values manam change cheyalsina avasaram ledu. Here x values which are multiplied by 7. Look at here, minus same as it is. No need to change because positive symbol is there. No need to change the symbol of x values. Here minus same as it is, minus same as it is taken. For the positive only. So the values of x are multiplying by 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 0s are 7 1s are 7 2s are. Here these are the multiples of 7. So next we need to add plus 12, the third row which indicates plus 12. So here the sum of these yellow boxes, the column, first column, the sum of these 3 terms which represents x square plus 7x plus 12 which is equal to y. Here adding these 3 terms we get y value, here y. So 25 plus 12, 37 plus 37 minus 35, that is 2. So at x is equal to minus 5, y value becomes as 2. At x is equal to minus 4, here 16 plus 12, 28 minus 28, 0. At x is equal to minus 4, the value of y is equal to 0. Minus 4 comma 0 is another order paid, another point. Here at x is equal to minus 3, look at here the values of these. 12 plus 9, 21. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 minus 21, 0. At x equal to minus 3, the value of the polynomial is minus 3 comma 0. So here 12 plus 4, 16. 16 minus 14, 2 nana. Minus 2 comma 2. At x equal to minus 2, y value also plus 2. Minus 2 comma plus 2 is another order paid. So here 12 plus 1, 13. 13 minus 7. So look at here 12 plus 1. 13 minus 7, 6. At x equal to minus 1, y value is 6. This is an order paid. So here 12 only, 0 comma 12. It's enough, no need to this one. So here, look at here, at x equal to minus 4, y value 0. At x equal to minus 3, here y value 0. Here x equal to minus 4, value of the polynomial is become 0. Here at x equal to minus 3, the value of the polynomial which is equal to 0. Here these are the zeros. No need to discuss about them. We also ledu nana. So look at here. So representing these order pairs on the graph, minus 5 comma 2. So look at here. So all the values of y values are positive. No more negative values are given. Here all the values of y are positive. Y values are positive means no need to change negative values on the y-axis. Here this is the y-axis, vertical line which is taken as y-axis, and horizontal line is taken as x-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive values are taken on right side of 0 and negative values are taken on left side of 0. Here positive values are taken on upper side of the 0, above on top side of the 0. Okay, so here what about the first point, Nana? Minus 5 comma 0. Look at here, minus 5 comma 0. Here are the points. For example, here are the points, minus 5 comma, wait, no need. So look at here. My first what is the order paid? Minus 5 comma 2. Minus 5 comma 2. Minus 5 comma 2 is an order paid. What about the second order paid, Nana? Minus 4 comma 0. This is the point. Minus 4 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0. And next order paid. Minus 2 comma plus 2. Minus 2 comma plus 2. Here look at here. Minus 2 comma plus 2. And next order paid. Minus 1 comma 6. Look at here. Minus 1 comma 6. And 0 comma 12. Here 0 comma 12. These are the points. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth, sixth and seventh. So joining by free hand, joining with the help of free hand, joining all these points, we get equation of, we get parabola, the graph which represents parabola. So okay, this graph touches the x-axis. This graph touches the x-axis at two different points. That is at x equal to minus 4. At x equal to minus 4, it becomes 0. Minus 4 comma 0, this point. At x equal to minus 3, the value of y is 0. Minus 3 comma 0. At x equal to minus 4, at x equal to minus 3, it touches the graph touches the x-axis at x is equal to minus 4 and minus 3. Therefore, minus 4 comma here, minus 4 comma minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so this is the graphical method, Nana. Here it is x-axis, it is taken as y-axis. What about the scale? Scale, we need to represent the scale. Scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And scale on y-axis, here also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. According to graphical method also, minus 4 comma minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, this is the second one, Nana. Next, look at the third example. Just briefly I will explain. Here also finding zeros of the polynomial using factorization method and graphical method, as well as also verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients. Here, so 8 is written as 8 which indicates positive symbol, Nana. Here 8 which indicates positive symbol. Here x square coefficient is 1. It is easy to represent linear factors, product of linear factors. Whenever the x square coefficient is equal to 1, so then it is very easy to resolving into factors. So look at here, 8 is written as 4 2s are 8, Nana. 4 2s are 8. So we need to add, symbol is given as positive. We need to add 4 plus 2, 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 plus 2 which becomes 6. So 4 plus 2, the value of sum of these two terms which is equal to middle coefficient, x coefficient, and product of these two which is equal to constant. Here, so x square, now resolving into factors, x square minus of 6 is written as 4 plus 2. 6 can be expressed as 4 plus 2 into x. Plus 8 is written as 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So x square. So according to above identity, so it can be expressed as x minus alpha. X minus alpha is the first linear factor, and look at here, x minus into plus, minus. X minus 2 is another linear. We need to change the symbol, Nana. Symbol minus means we need to change the symbol. X minus 4 is one factor. X minus 2 is another linear factor. So while finding 0, this polynomial value which is equalized to 0. Look at, Nana, x minus 4 equal to 0. If the product of these two terms will be 0 means 0 into something 0, or either 0 into something 0. Any one of the term will be equal to 0. Then only this product becomes as 0. So x minus 4 equals 0 means transposition of minus 4 is plus 4. X minus 2 equals 0 means transposition of minus 2 is plus 2. Therefore, 4 is the first 0 and 2 is the another 0. So, first 0 is taken as alpha, whereas alpha value is taken as 4 and another 0 beta is taken as 2. Alpha comma beta. Here these are the zeros. Now we are going to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients according to sum of zeros formula. And what about the sum of zeros? Sum of zeros will be minus alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. B contains negative means we need to change the symbol of minus 6. Minus 6 becomes as plus 6 by a value 1. So alpha plus beta, sum of zeros is 6. Look at here, 4 plus 2. Here I am verifying. First 0 4 and second 0 2. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Here also 6. Since it is verified. Verifying the second condition. Product of 0 c by a. C by a. What is the value of c value? 8 by a value 1. So that is 8. Look at here. 4 2 ja 4 into 2. 4 2 ja 8. Product of 0 is 8 and sum of 0 6. Hence the relation is verified. Now next, in the third case, in the first case, factorize. We obtain the values of alpha and beta according to factorization method. In the second case, we are verified the relation between zeros and coefficients. In the third case, we are going to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial using graphical representation. According to graphical representation, here the x values are taken in the some period. Here look at here, these are the x values. What about the least zero, Nana? Here 2 is the least 0, 4 is the highest 0. So the values of x which contains compulsory, the values of x which contains 2 and 4, ఇది వచ్చి 2 4 x విలువల్లో ఉండే విధంగా మనం జాగ్రత్త తీసుకోవాలి. So x values are taken as minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5. Minus 2 is the 0 and 4 is the 0. 2 comma 4, 2 is the least 0, 4 is the highest 0. Some values are taken on left side and some more values are taken on the right side. Here x square means square of positive integer, square of all the square of integers is positive. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus. 2 2s are, we need to multiply 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0 0s are 1 1s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 4s are 5 5s are. This row which indicates the values of x square. Next we need to find the values of minus 6x. What about the symbol, Nana? Minus. A term which contains negative sign means we need to change the symbol of x values. Here x values minus. Here minus is converted as plus, minus is converted as changing signs of x value. Minus becomes plus and here minus becomes plus and plus becomes as minus, plus becomes as minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes. Why? Because minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Here minus into plus, minus into plus minus. No need to multiply the symbols. Just you have to remember a term which contain negative means we need to change the symbol. Okay, Nana. Next, x values which are multiplying by 6. Next, multiplying by 6 times it is increasing. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 0s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So all the values of x are which are multiplied by 6 and next symbols will be single symbols also change. Next, what are the remaining term? 8 here in the third row which indicates the values of 8. No more change in 8. Sum of all these three terms, x square minus 6x plus 8, which is equal to y, Nana. So y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 8. Here 0 comma 8. Next 1 comma 3, 2 comma 0, 3 comma minus 1. Here 3 comma minus 1. 4 comma 0 and 5 comma 3. Here 5 comma 3. So by joining all these points, the third one 2 at x equal the given curve parabola. This parabola intersects the x-axis, touches the x-axis at x equal to and x equal to 4. 2 comma 4. Here 2 comma 4 are the zeros of the polynomial.